Dogday says, fetch! Go, go, as far as you can! Why are you just standing there? You can't be here. You can't stay.
You're Pappy's angel. Come to save us. Nothing left to save. Not here. Bird Catnap's home, angel. Their home. A million pairs of eyes are on you now. Watching, waiting, hungry. They want nothing more than to crawl beneath your skin and eat away at you bit by little bit. Fill what feels empty inside themselves. That thing, Catnap. The prototype is his god, and this is what he does to heretics. These little toys follow Catnap to avoid that very fate, and in return, they are fed. We try to fight it, the prototype's control. I am the last of the smiling critters. Listen to me. You need to get out of this place. You need to live. You and Poppy could fix this. End this madness. The torment. Oh no. Oh no. Leave me. Please. Just go. Run. Run. I could really use your help here, Angel. Quickly. Thank you, Angel. Let's get out of here. Phew. You made it. Those little ones sure are quick. Thanks for saving me, Angel. You are my little pug champ. Oh, don't let that get to your head, though. Hey, Angel, wait. Look what I found. My old legs. Whoa, feels a little weird to walk still. Oh, what's that, Angel? No worries. Our toy bodies work a little differently. You see, we can easily reattach our limbs if they fall off.
Dogday says, fetch!
This is what they tried to make me sound like. Can you believe it? Kinda crazy when you think about it. Let me see if I can replicate that in some way.
Dogday says, if you see someone without a smile, give them one of yours.
Well, that felt weird. Catnap. Whatever happened to him, Angel? He killed every single one of the critters, except for me. Me, in particular, he left alive because he wanted to see me suffer. I feel like jealousy got to him. He always looked at me in a weird way. I sensed his anger towards me. I feel like he always wanted to be the leader instead of me. Anyway, we need to stop him, Angel. He's become an obstacle for us if we want to get to the prototype. You must hurry to the office. I'll see if I can find a blue battery to charge.